Yo, what's going on, boys and girls? My dear Adventure friends, this is Cransby here. I haven't uploaded for a while now, but I'm back. I'm back in the YouTube game. I'm back in the grind, and let's get it. Without further ado, let me show you what I have been doing and what's working for me so far. By the way, guys, I have officially created my first paid private group together with my partner, and it's not expensive. It's not expensive. It's only $1.50 per day. And let me tell you something about the group. We are basically live streaming, on the voice chat, talking with everybody, just searching for the next potential mooners. Just in general, we are teaching people from A to Z how to do it, all the technical stuff, what to look out for, and what to be careful, what to do, and all the tactics we know and have learned for years. So especially if you're new in the game, then this is a great group to be in it and to truly understand the whole concept behind the meme coins. Yeah, it's not just on Solana, it's also on Ethereum, because when there is a volume on Ethereum, it's honestly really simple to make money there. So that is the reason why we don't just do things on Solana. We are multi-chaining and seeing where is the opportunity, we go for it. Simple as that. I'm pretty sure you have already seen, multiple type of videos telling you to do this and this and this, but to be honest, like, the volume on chain isn't the greatest, and you have to be really careful and skeptic about the things. And in my personal opinion, what I'm doing right now is simply just to wait, just to sit by your desk and see for the right tweet or the right volume play. And when that happens, you will honestly know, because you will see either multiple tokens or one token getting heavily bidded. And when we have those kind of times, the safest road, the safest path is to actually look for the final fetch tokens. The tokens who has, some motion, some volume going on already, because only those tokens has the potential actually to, to migrate and to do some numbers. With that being said, my perfect strategy right now is just to sit by your desk and to be patient and to wait for the right volume plays. Even right now, you see the volume 131k volume on the final search token. If I open it, let's say for me this token is slow, right? I don't even need to check what this token is about. It's just slow. The motion isn't there. You have potential a lot of exit liquidity, also a lot of profit taking from here, and just in general, those who didn't take here, they, the token tanked and they want to exit it. So for me, for now, I would just watch this token. How does it perform? Does it bounce? Does it, dip? And yeah, the risk ratio just isn't there right now. And that's the number one, the biggest lesson you could get here is to be patient, to really be patient with your trades. Don't take this as a gamble, take it as a job, and seek for the opportunities. You just have to sit, relax, and just wait for the right volume place. Don't rush into things. Simply when the people aren't, patient enough, they go for things, they gamble on stuff which isn't really bullish, and they just in general lose money. So the biggest lesson I can give you is to be really patient and to wait for the right volume place. Something bullish, something which has really good volume, and just wait for it. It isn't hard. And with that being said, that is exactly what I have been doing so far. I have been waiting for the right volume place to appear either on final stretch or some bullish tweet happening right there on the Twitter tracker, and I snipe it. And of course, you can change your, snipe amounts. Sometimes when the things are really slow, I put it low number like 0.5 Solanas only. But when the volume is really good, I increase it to 1.5 or either 2. So it just depends on the market sentiment right now on the volume. For example, when you see the right volume play, you'll see probably 2 tokens migrated or sometimes even 3 tokens migrated onto to PumpSwap. So when that happens, you can actually open them up and see what these tokens are about. First of all, check for the tweet, read it, read the whole tweet, the whole concept of it. If it's not bullish for you, right? If you don't think it's something bullish, then just simply don't ape it, because you also have to believe it, that it is something bullish. And for this scenario, I haven't, read the whole tweet and the whole concept, but you can see this token is having some motion. It has a motion. And that's something you would actually like to see. You would want to buy some things, some tokens, some meme coins in general, which has the motion, which has the action, you know. Buy sells happening, bam bam bam. You want to see those things. You don't want to see, you know, slow tokens, no action, something which barely is even moving. And when you see the right volume play, for example, this one, try to buy it actually from, for example, like 30k till like 80k, like 100k, and that should be your entry point. You could easily see it on the final stretch, and when basically it migrated, you know. Try to get those sort of entries when there really is a nice tweet, when there isn't, where there is volume play happening and motion in general. Don't try to, you know, FOMO in, fear of missing out on these ranges, because, you know, right now it's 500k, and for this moment to actually have it 1 million play the runner, it likely won't happen because the volume right now isn't that great. The volume is slow, so most likely all sort of, you know, tweets and plays, the tops will be 500k. So just be really careful. Don't FOMO in on all the plays. And guys, like, if you didn't get the entry, then just skip it. There is always a next play coming. If the entry wasn't there, it wasn't there. That's it. Next. With that being said, that's it for this video, but hopefully I see you in the Digital Asset Club in the private group. And here you can see the P&L flexes from the new members in general who just started, you know, trenching, and which we have, you know, teached from A to Z. So shout out to you guys for watching this video, and hopefully I see you in the private group. Till the next one, peace.